Hello, in this presentation we're going to discuss the convection. Convection is another way for transferring heat and energy. For example, if you hold your hand above a heater, you can feel the heat. The heat is not conducted through the air, but it reaches your hand by convection currents. The motion of the air is shown in this figure. The heat from the heater is circulating through convection currents. A small crystal of potassium permanganate is in the beaker of water here. We're going to turn on the heat under the beaker by pressing the button and watch what happens to the water in the beaker. The potassium permanganate crystal dissolves and makes purple streaks in the water. These streaks help you to see the motion of the water. Let's repeat it. Which way does the water near the crystal move? Upwards. That's correct. Now choose the correct words to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. When a liquid or a gas is heated, it will decrease or increase in volume. It will experience expansion and hence its volume increases. Because the mass will not change, this means that the density must decrease or increase. Since the density is equal to the mass divided by the volume, and the volume increases, and the density is inversely proportional to the volume, then it will decrease as the volume increases. That's correct. The change in density causes the material to rise or fall. When the density changes, the material rises. That's correct. So, hot air will always rise above cold air, since hot air, which is the heated air, the heated gas, will increase in volume and hence it has a decreased density. So the density of hot air is less than that of the cold air. Therefore, the hot air will rise above the cold air. Likewise, as the hot water rises above the cold water. This is because the hot water has less density than the cold water. And due to the difference in the densities of the hot and cold gases or liquids, convection currents are created. That's all. Thanks for watching.